préparation avant d'attaquer la piste. On dégonfle un peu les pneus. Ah, les locaux, ils attaquent ça tranquille. Un petit souvenir, ça nous rappelle un peu le Maroc avec les deux bédouins sur leur moto chinoise. Voilà, milieu des montagnes albanaises, c'est une petite piste, on a quelques kilomètres à faire comme ça là. Voilà, ah, petite piste. Le seul morceau de goudron qu'on a trouvé c'est celui-là. Là. On a posé les bécanes. Ouais, route bloquée, on va attendre qu'il débarrasse tout. Loïc, tu fais quoi là?
Chasser de l'huile d'olive chez le producteur, carrément. Production locale. Extra vierge. Voilà. Merveilleux.
Run it. 100 miles of running through the rain and the sun, and when them fed folks coming. Keep your head up, youngins. Gotta keep your heads up, youngin. The streets to get your head up, youngin. Listen, click your contacts. Stay focused like contacts. Your head's open for a contract. Can't go where mom at. The last place you want to bring the drama at. The first place they gon' track, I promise. Can't relax but remain the calmest. Couple rules that you play by, stay live. You keep your boots on, your lace tied, and only troop on the late night. If you play right, you skate light, right? You never play the daylight. Jakes get on your tail, never let them see the brake light. Catch me if you can when I'm dipping from the cops. Mr. Gingerbread, never falling victim of the fox. want it, but you can't stop running with a price on your head. Be prepared to gun me. Man, don't be scared like the redcoats coming, nigga. Stay underground and keep running like Tugman. You can't sleep, not a peep, no slumber. Man, I slept by the 100 hours rest this summer. I know it's stress when you dealing with the running, waking up in cold sweats, pissed, scared with the rumblers.